Changing your linked email on Freelancer.com is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the Azure.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Go to account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Settings menu, look for the Email Preferences or Email Settings option. Click on it to access the section where you can manage your email addresses. Step 4. Update your email address. Find the field that displays your current email address. Enter your new email address in the provided space. Ensure that the new email is valid and accessible. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering your new email address, click on the Save or Update button. You will likely receive a verification email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to confirm the change. Make sure to check your new email for the verification link to complete the process. Once verified, your email address will be successfully updated on Freelancer.com.